boys, girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Always exciting to have NEFFEX in the house. This time we have a song called Pop Off the Top. Top off the pop, pop off the top. Cool song there, as always, from NEFFEX. Before we continue with this tutorial, I just want to highlight this great guitar. It's from Acoustic Guitars. If you want to have one of these cool looking and also well play guitar, you can use my coupon code GROWGuitar10 to get 10% off. Go and check out Anchor Guitars. They're very affordable, like $200 so or plus, something around there, with 10% off, even better. So Anchor Guitars now. Let's go into this tutorial. We have a capo set on this second fret. Absolute best scenario to handle this cool song. With that, we have 4 chords, just rolls in the same way, pretty much. We have the melody or strumming, but in the same way when it comes to order through entire song. Love that. Let's go into the chords. And let's start with the E minor. It goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the G. And that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. A minor next. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the C. And that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so let's start with this cool melody. We're going to start with that first and then come into the strumming later on. So each chord has its own melody. So we're going to start with E minor. And you will see the pattern will be pretty much the same throughout the song, or very similar, okay? So you're going to work with this pattern, okay? So you're going to start with E minor. You're going to play open E in the bass. And then comes the open G. And then second G. And open B. And this open G to second G, to have this like a flow, a good flow, then you're gonna work with hammer-on technique. That means you don't pick the second fret, the G string. You pick the open G, and then you hammer on with the finger you use there on the fretboard. You hammer on to get the second G. So I just picked the open G. And I hammer on to get the second G. And then, of course, I have to pick the open B. But in that way, you don't have to work too much and it goes faster and flows better. So practice this pattern. Oh, sorry. Slipped there. But you see, I need some practice on my own. And I only had like 15 minutes or so with this song. So anyway, work slowly and gradually work up the speed and tempo. Yeah, anyway, it doesn't have to be that fast, but still, that is the pattern, okay? So for E minor, you're gonna do 2 times. I consider that being 1 round. So you're gonna play 2 rounds, in total 4 times of this, okay? So 4 times of... Okay, that's the E minor part. Now into G, you're gonna start with the same pattern pretty much, just a different bass note. You have now the 3rd fret E string as the bass. Okay, the rest follows there. So 3rd E, open G, to 2nd G, and open B. You play that to start with 2 times, so. And then the second half goes. That will be 3rd fret E string, then 1st B, then open B, and open G, and then 2nd G, 2nd D, back to 2nd G, and open G. That was the end of the G part. And here we need to emphasize the second part, the second half here, where we started with. When it comes to this, that's a pull-off technique. In the same way as you have hammer-on technique, you're gonna pull off now. So you pick the 1st fret B string, and then I will play the open B with my picking hand. I use my fretboard finger to snap off or pull off to get the open B, so that flows better. Okay. And then the finish note there, you can use the pull off technique there as well, from the second G to the open G, the two last notes in this part. That is some techniques you can utilize here in this song to really kind of minimize the work here with your hand, because you have many notes, so you can focus on kind of mentally preparing for the next part or so. That's also an ingredient here why we're using these pull off and hammer on techniques. So far we learned E minor and G, and then comes the A minor, and you're gonna just play this main pattern here. Okay, so you're gonna play for 6 times in total, so that will be open A, then open G, then to second G with the hammer-on technique, and open B. So exact same pattern, now just different notes on the bass, open A. So 3, 4, 5, 6. That's A minor, 6 times. And then you're gonna finish off with the C. It goes. So that will be 3rd fret A string, then first B to open B with this pull-off technique, then open G, and then second G, second D, second G, and open G. You can use that pull-off technique in the end there as well. That will be the end of this melody. So I'm going to take you through this melody. I'm going to take down the tempo a little bit so you understand what's going on. Let's do it together. Yes, cool melody there from NEFFEX. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, you can incorporate a clap in this as well. You saw everything here in my introduction of this tutorial. Now, where does the clap happen? I'm gonna take you back again from the beginning to E minor. You're gonna play like this for 2 times. So that means the second time you play the open E string, so you play the first time, and then instead of playing the open E string as the bass note, you replace that with a clap. And you just continue. You play that for 2 rounds, okay? So. Okay, and the clap here, I just hit the clap on all the strings like this, okay? You don't have to ring out anything, it just, because there's a lot of action here going on in the song. Sometimes when it's not, you just want to clap on the E string or so to have all the other strings ring out. But here, you have a lot of strings and notes coming out constantly, so you don't have to think about that. Hit the clap wherever you want, on the wood, strings, wherever you want, where it feels more comfortable. But still, remember, it goes pretty fast, so you have to be very comfortable with hitting the clap and get back to the notes again. So. And what I do here when I hit the clap, I kind of focus on getting the clap there, but my fingers here, if you see closely here, I kind of focus on that next string. So I have control over the clap. I don't hit the clap like this. I have to find my string wherever I am. I hit the clap just where the string goes, so that I can continue that melody and the flow going on there. So, okay, if that makes sense. 2 times of that, E minor, and then you're gonna go to the G part. Now you're gonna play, and then instead of playing the second time on the bass string, the 3rd fret E string, I hit that with a clap instead. That's the first part. So, and then you would continue with, and then at this point, the 2nd fret G string, I replace that with a clap. and continue with that notes of second D, second G, and open B. Sorry, open G. So that will be the G part, slowly like this. Okay, and then we go into the A minor part, and again we play that clap every second time we hit the bass note. So we have a longer part now for A minor. It goes like this. You play that part for 3 times. So okay, and then finally we have the C. You're gonna play. And then at that point where you play the second fret G string, you hit that with a clap instead. And just continue with second D, second G, and open G. Okay, so I'm going to take you through this one round slowly again with the clap ingredient as well. So let's do it from the beginning. And then, of course, you can speed up this to something like this. All right, cool. And now finally we're gonna play the strumming. How do we handle the song without any notes and stuff, technical stuff, just playing downs and ups and claps, perhaps like this. I just played around. Anyway, the strumming here, let's focus on it. E minor, you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, down, up as one string around. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is one round. So basically your hand goes downs and ups and downs and ups, but on the third down you replace that with a clap and just continue with up, down, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. G, 2, A minor, 3, and then C, 1, and again. Alright guys, there you have it. NEFFEX, Pop Off the Top. Cool song as ever. And as usually with NEFFEX. So if you're a fan of him, make sure you subscribe to his channel. Hope you did that already. And if you love his songs, check out my playlist with NEFFEX, the biggest on YouTube, I'm sure, like covering on a guitar. I'm pretty sure of that. So we have like, I don't know, 40 songs perhaps from NEFFEX. So he's the in-house performer here for recording guitar. Hope you enjoyed this song and all the other songs from NEFFEX, and hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching, guys. Next time, play tuned.